Hey, what's up guys? I hope all of you are doing well. So today in this video we will talk about a new update that is available on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and a new trick that you guys can try out. So first up, let's talk about the update. So the update is available in the Galaxy Store app, and from here you will have to tap on menu, and from here you will get to see a new update is available. The first one is the Samsung Cloud, Samsung Health Monitor and the Good Lock app update. Talking about what's new, so it has fixed all the bugs and issues that were there before and a refreshed UI design. So this update is 19 MBs in size, and there are two other updates also available that you guys can update. So GoodLog app allows you to customize your Samsung Galaxy device like a pro, and there are some many hidden tips and tricks that you guys can try out. So today in this video I will show you a trick that you guys can try out. For that you will have to go into your GoodLog app, and after going into your GoodLog app you will have to download this One Hand Operation Plus app. You can scroll search for it, or you can simply search for this One Hand Operation Plus and this app will appear. Using it you can add gesture handle on the left or right side of your screen, so you can control your phone easily with one hand. And there's some other options also available. For example, on the left or right handle you can map the keys to do different actions. Let's see, for example, on the left handle, if I tap on it, I can select that what I want to do with the straight right or the diagonal up or the diagonal down. Let's say I want to change the action of the diagonal up to the volume. As you can see now, when I will do the diagonal up gesture, I can control the volume of my device. It is really easy to use as well. You just have to swipe up on the diagonal up and you can control the volume of your device. And now I will remap the diagonal down to the screen off. As you can see, there is this screen off option also available. Now whenever I will do the diagonal down, I will close my screen. You can similarly remap the right handle of your device as well. And if we talk about the further settings, so there are some gesture settings also available. For that you just have to tap on gesture settings and you can select quick vibration or the swipe distance as well. Or you can also select the custom vibration intensity as well. There is another option also available with this app, and that is gesture angles. You can select the gesture angles with this app as well. As you can see, there are multiple gesture angles also available. For example, of scroll up, diagonal up, straight right or diagonal down, or you can restore the default settings as well. So try out this One Hand Operation Plus app and let me know in the comment section that do you like it or not. And that's wrap for today's video. This was the new update available and the new tips and tricks with the One Hand Operation Plus app. If you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.